Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Bleach Soul Resonance game not working, crashing, not loading, lagging or other issues on your Android devices. So what you need to do is the first method is to restart your device once. So for that, press the power plus volume up button and now click on restart. So this will restart your device. After restarting, check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to check internet connection. So you should make sure your internet connection is not fluctuating or is stable to open the game. If there is any fluctuations, you should either restart your Wi-Fi once if you are using Wi-Fi, or restart your router, or you can go to mobile data if you are using Wi-Fi, or do vice versa, and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to force stop the app. For that, click on the app or game icon. Now click on app info. Here you can see force stop. Click on force stop option and then click on OK. After that, check if the game is launching or not. If not, you should clear the cache of the particular game. So for that, click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache and then try to open it and check if it's working or not. If not, you should also check whether the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. Now in the search option, search for the game, that is Bleach Soul Resonance, and here you have to check if the game needs any kind of update. Just click on it and check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, you should also check whether your device have any storage problem or so. If yes, then you have to delete some unused apps or data or game and then try to launch the game. So for that, go to settings, and now here you have to click on RAM and storage, and here you should check if there is any storage problem or so. The steps or maybe vary from phone to phone, but you have to check whether there is available space or not, and if there is less space, delete some unused apps or games and then try to launch the game. Next is to check if your device needs any kind of update. So for that, go to settings, then go below, click on system update, and here you have to check if your phone needs any kind of OS update. If yes, you have to update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Bleach Soul Resonance game. So for that, click on the game icon, now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. So after uninstalling the game, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Bleach Soul Resonance, and here you have to click on install option, and after the game is installed, try to play the game and check if it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.